try it?
No, all we're gonna do, we're gonna lift it a couple inches.
Oh, this is not. This.
You,
I have to go hold it one.
now this one,
Okay, I'm gonna.
I don't know.
I'm staying here.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be under this. Definitely have
No, don't we just lift it up like this and go, oh, and it goes, whoa! The dust goes like that and you walk away.
Yeah. Done!
Done! Okay, I think we should lift this half, slide the board in, then lift this half.
Okay. Not even slide. All you gotta do is just make that thing. No, James. Raise it up. It'll come together. Keep raising it up. It'll come together. Whoa! All right, hold on. Stay there for a second. No, you're going to get it in there and get it all the way in and touch it down to the end. All right, hurry up. Just get the root out.
Well, we need to have
Let's move this over. And now, there you go. Laying down with a woman and here.
Oh, well, the cable's in the wire.
Oh, it's okay. Cable's all right. Cable's all right. It's not under stress right now.
I know, but it's can't go in there. Oh, it's working. It's already working, Paul. The question is it going to be complete? Stop. Yeah.
No, don't get it too far.
I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing.
James, don't retreat.
I'm sweating. Pull it out.
Now we can really get our minus thing.
Wait. Okay. No, it's just what I thought.
That's good. No, we're good. We're good? Oh, okay.
Hold on.
Which is great. That's way better than having to wait off the Don't hit your foot.
Okay, the finished product. Let's go take a look. We lifted the slab out, excavated beneath it, and put it back in. And now things are looking pretty good. That used to be about a 2 to 2.5 inch lip there on both sides, and now it's nice and even.
I want my apple.
Okay, good job.